A heroic couplet is a pair of rhymed lines written in iambic pentameter, often used in narrative and epic poetry. This form gained prominence in English literature, particularly during the Restoration and Neoclassical periods, for its clarity, balance, and musicality. M. H. Abrams, A Glossary of Literary Terms. A heroic couplet is a rhymed pair of iambic pentameter lines, frequently used in epic and narrative poetry to convey grandeur and formality. J. A. Cuden, The Penguin Dictionary of Literary Terms and Literary Theory. Heroic couplets are pairs of rhymed lines of iambic pentameter, often used to express complete thoughts, with an emphasis on balance, antithesis, and rhetorical finesse. George Saintsbury. The heroic couplet is a hallmark of English poetic tradition, exemplifying precision, elegance, and rhythmic harmony. Christopher Ricks. Heroic couplets are a disciplined form of verse that balances rhyme and reason, typically aiming to combine wit, order, and moral instruction. Structure. Each couplet consists of two lines of iambic pentameter, five pairs of alternating unstressed and stressed syllables. Lines rhyme in an AA pattern. Complete thought. A single couplet often expresses a complete idea or statement, though longer works may use a series of linked couplets. Balance and antithesis. Writers often use parallelism, antithesis, or contrast within or between lines to create rhetorical effect and emphasize key ideas. End stopping. Many heroic couplets are end-stopped, meaning the grammatical structure and sense conclude at the end of each line. However, enjambment is also used occasionally for variation. Versatility. While primarily associated with epic and satirical poetry, heroic couplets have been used in various genres to convey wit, argumentation, and elegance. Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Wan that April with his showers suit, the draught of March hath pursed to the root. Explanation. Chaucer's use of rhymed couplets in Middle English helped establish the heroic couplet in English poetic tradition. Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock. What dire offense from amorous causes springs? What mighty contests rise from trivial things? Explanation. Pope's mastery of the heroic couplet reflects wit, irony, and polished elegance. John Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel. A man so various that he seemed to be not one, but all mankind's epitome. Explanation. Dryden's use of heroic couplets highlights his rhetorical skill and moral commentary. Samuel Johnson's The Vanity of Human Wishes. How small of all that human hearts endure, that part which laws or kings can cause or cure. Explanation. Johnson employs the couplet form to deliver philosophical reflections with precision and balance. Oliver Goldsmith's The Deserted Village. Ill fares the land, to hastening ills a prey, where wealth accumulates and men decay. Explanation. Goldsmith uses heroic couplets to critique social and economic inequality. William Shakespeare's plays. Shakespeare occasionally uses heroic couplets, especially to conclude scenes or speeches. For sweetest things turn sourest by their deeds. Lilies that fester smell far worse than weeds. Sonnet 94. Clarity and precision. The couplet structure offers a concise and elegant way to express ideas. Musicality. The rhyming and metrical rhythm create a pleasing auditory effect. Moral or philosophical reflection. Heroic couplets often encapsulate profound ideas or lessons within a few lines. Elegance and wit. The form is ideal for showcasing verbal dexterity, satire, and irony. Narrative progression. In longer poems, linked couplets help advance the story while maintaining a formal structure. The heroic couplet remains a cornerstone of English poetic tradition, admired for its blend of simplicity, structure, and sophistication.